Hello, my name is Salim Jivani. I work as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Vagdevi College of Engineering, Warangal, Telangana. Today, I am going to demonstrate the learning management tool Google Classroom. This particular Google Classroom is used for the maintenance of the teaching learning process that I do for my course in software engineering. Before I proceed towards the demonstration, my sincere gratitude for Professor Janardhan sir and his team for giving us wonderful learnings during the faculty development program that was organized on flipped and blended classroom teaching learning process by NITTR Chennai. Thank you so much, sir. It was a very informative and a productive FDP that I have attended for my life, one of the most enriching ones. Now, moving down to the demonstration of the Google Classroom, which is the learning management system I and my co-faculty are using to teach the BTech third year computer science engineering students. We have 4 sections, so I take up the subject for 2 sections, and the demonstration would be not only about my subject but also the other teachers, so that we are using a common classroom for the entire 2 sections. Let me take you to the window. This is the BTech third year computer science and engineering classroom window that you find. The moment you click on this window, you will be navigating to the Google Classroom. This is the class code that we have used to invite our students. This is the meeting link that we can use whenever we want to take up any live sessions. This particular classroom is a shared resource for all subject teachers. It was created by me, and I have put lots of things, and my co-teachers are also putting a lot of things here. Firstly, let me tell you about the lecture plan. The lecture plan is provided in this document, which is accessible by all the students. The course that I am discussing during the current semester is software engineering, and it is for the 5th semester students, and it's a 3-credit course with the objectives to make students aware of the software engineering process models and develop understanding of varied models. The second module, or the unit 2, helps them to understand the requirements and be able to prepare a chapter called as software requirement specification document, which will enable them to build good systems. When they are going to develop software systems, there will be different architectural styles and design that they will be using in order to model their product or service that they wish to render. Once the products are developed, there needs to be tests and quality metrics. So this will be taught. At the end of the course, the student will have an understanding, or they will develop an understanding of what a good quality software means and how can we ensure a good quality process software is developed. These are the course outcomes which I have just narrated now. These are the program educational objectives that have been given to us by the institution. These are the program outcomes which have been specified by the institution and the Department of Computer Science. And these are the program specific outcomes and this is the mapping that we have with respect to the course that was developed by me. The next part is about the textbooks that are specified here. I am also specifying the students to use this NPTEL course in software engineering to deepen their understanding and to have more exposure to different case studies. The assignments that I am going to discuss and to show you in the next few minutes will be pertaining to the first module or the unit 1. We have 5 such units and each of the unit has a specific outcome. We usually go with PPTs, chalk and talk and some lectures. My students will also be having mini projects that I will be assigning to them from the second unit, and we would be also going to some incubation centers in order to visit. Let's now move towards the other part that I have explained here and given it as the resource to students. I have created the assignment, and this assignment the students were given questions that they have to answer, and the rubrics was also created. The rubrics has 3 parameters: introduction, depth and presentation, and the points that I am going to give when the things are represented in the document that the students submit are specified here. The next part is that I have also used the assignment for reviewing, for which I have used Mentimeter